Centralized composters are able to. I feel like one of the community composters are sometimes misrepresented in that we don't want to make big impact. I feel like sometimes community composters are painted in this, we want to operate at a tiny scale all the time. And we know that if we want to move practices in a direction that creates a planet that's going to be able to sustain life, these types of changes need to happen at scale. We know that. So I think that the larger centralized operations have the equipment, they have capital, they have the experience in the industry that a lot of the younger companies don't. So I feel like the younger companies can learn a lot about running a business. They can learn a lot about industry ratios, the finance ratios. They can learn a lot about the different models. They can learn a lot about different types of expansion and financing that expansion. The community composters have a lot to learn from the larger, centralized, older operations. At the same time, we do marketing and have been able to create markets and environments where markets should not exist according to the financial logic of how things have been thought about traditionally. We've been creative in thinking about how we express the value that we bring to our clients and to our communities, and that's why we've been able to build these markets out in places where a larger centralized facility or hauler wouldn't even dare to touch.